Good morning. It's Mrs. Wagner, and I wanted to go over the Pear Deck activity classroom expectations and just go over the results from that Pear Deck activity. So I'm going to go over here and I want you to see what I would see, which would be a spreadsheet, which would tell me exactly who was working. So I do not have the names here, but you can see that I will be able to see if someone did not answer anything at all. So I just want you to be aware of what I will be saying. This is some of the results from the respect slide. So showing respect in our classroom. What might we see? What might we hear? How do we feel? So wasn't any set answer here that I was looking for. I was just curious to see what you thought about respect. So you can take a look at some of those answers. Do not talk while anyone else is talking, being quiet. My dog is barking. Be positive. Okay? Listen to whoever is talking. So that was that slide. Now, if we see the results from this slide, how do we step up to the plate or rise to the challenge? So don't be shy, be brave. And try to answer no matter what by raising our hands. We don't have fear. Cooperating, be respectful. Oh, and I like this, doing things out of our comfort zone. So that's what we need to do. Sometimes we make smart decisions in class and sometimes we don't. Give an example of a good decision and an example of a bad decision. So you gave me some really good ideas here. Raising your hand when you're called. Bad decision is calling out loud when it's not your turn. Being quiet. Being loud is not a good decision. Being helpful. Let's finish our homework for a snack. Let's steal the snacks. Okay. Um, and participating. Okay, so all those are good. And that's it. So that's it for those two. And then I had you go ahead and actually draw. So I'm going to go to that one. So let's take a look at some of the things you have. When I said, what are my 3 classroom expectations? So you felt it was show respect, stepping up to plate, good decisions, and make good decisions, not bad decisions. Okay, so that one was spot on. Some of you decided to draw it, which is fine. So most of you had at least 2 of them right. So this is spot on here. This person respects stepping up to the challenge and making smart decisions. Some of you decided to write up your own, and you gave 3 that you thought that we should have, which was fine. There wasn't any right or wrong answer. Okay, so it looks like most of you figured out the text box, which is awesome. So that is just a recap of our Pear Deck activity, and I hope to see you guys soon.